Hello everyone and welcome to CBSE English Teacher. Let's look at poster writing for CBSE English Class 11 and 12. Introduction. A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issue of public interest. A poster looks like this one. In this slide, we will look at salient features, which are: posters should be visually very attractive. They should be easily readable from a certain distance. And they are put up on notice or bulletin boards and walls. The very question that comes to our mind is, who uses posters? So, posters are used by parties and organizations, government departments, and others. Under parties and organizations, the posters are normally used by political parties, religious organizations, non-government organizations, and film or movie maker. Under government department, the posters are used by the Public Relations Department, Health and Family Welfare Department, Education Department, and Environment and Conservation Agencies. Whereas there are other institutions and organizations, they also use posters. Few among them are private schools and institutions, advertising agencies, artists of different groups, and event organizers. Let's now look at what do posters focus on. Essentially, a very brief communication with a compelling visual and a powerful message. A poster is always prepared with a particular target audience in mind. It is usually an appeal for awareness or support, help or actions, a warning or a caution, etc. It very clearly mentions the theme or the topic, the schedule of an event if it is about an event, and the occasion for it. Often a poster takes the form of an invitation, like posters for carnivals, fairs, fashion shows, concerts, sales, exhibitions, cultural programs, etc. Let's look at some other points. The first one is lettering and visuals. Although visuals are not part of the testing objectives, they are a great help in enhancing the overall impact of a poster. Students should use simple visuals and an aesthetic layout for a good poster. They can use any style or size of lettering. The second point is layout and space. Ideally, one full page should be used for writing a poster, but it can be prepared on a spreadsheet too. Remember to put your poster in a box with a portrait or landscape orientation. The third point is format. A poster has no fixed format. However, from the examination point of view, a poster must incorporate the following points. These points include theme or topic or event, purpose and or occasion, date, time and venue in case of an event, a message of appeal, awareness, caution, warning, invitation, etc., catchy slogans and captions, and finally the name of the individual or organization issuing it. The fourth point is marking scheme. Poster writing carries 3 marks, one for format, one for content, and one for expression. Here in this slide, we have a sample question followed by a sample poster. The question is, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India is organizing a science exhibition in your school. Create an attractive poster announcing the event and inviting the general public to visit it. You should include the following points in your poster. Focus of the exhibition: India's achievements in space and missile technology. Dates and timings of the exhibition. Some information about the exhibits. An invitation to visit exhibition. And free entry. So here we have the sample poster prepared based on the given question. Now we will look at all the points that have been included here, which have been given or guided by the question. The first point is event. Event here is science exhibition. Come discover the wonder that science is, visit are the taglines that invite the people. Entry fee ticket. Here the entry is completely free, so entry free is mentioned. Topic or title is Vigyanam 2000XX. We have included some visuals to attract the attention of the people. The annual science exhibition for school is the occasion, or let us say purpose. Our catchy slogans are science is fun, science is amazing. Since this is an event, so date, time and venue has also been mentioned. Besides, the theme for this year is sustainable energy, solar, water, wind and biogas, space travel, communication technology, science in everyday use. Special focus or special attraction is India's achievements in space and missile technology, ISRO moon buggy science. Besides, we have some more attractions where children can play science game. Not only this, they can win exciting prizes also, and there is an opportunity for everyone to enter the National Youth Scientist contests. Finally, we have mentioned the name of the organization or sponsor. Sponsor here is Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. In this way, the inclusion of all these points makes it a complete poster. We have touched upon all the points given in the question. Let's now look at this sample poster. This sample poster is very simple, and by studying it we come to know that it has been divided into 4 segments. The top part, the bottom part, and we have 2 sections in the middle. So the top part is always used to write a crispy headline that attracts the attention of the viewers. The bottom line is reserved for writing the name of the organization or institute that issues the poster, whereas the middle 2 portions are reserved, one for visuals and other for writing details. In this slide, we have given 2 more sample posters for everybody's convenience. This slide may be stopped here, and these posters can be studied to understand poster writing better. Hope you would have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for your patience.